So please note down the sentence, fill in the blank with suitable tense. Fill in the blank with suitable tense. I'll write 4 sentences, then we'll discuss 4 okay, each. He dashed soundly, please don't disturb him. Second sentence. I dash to the USA in future. USA, UK and UAE. उन सबके साथ द आता है बेटा. Only 3 places, 3 proper nouns are there जिनके साथ द आता है. 3 names. Otherwise India, Australia, Pakistan किसी के साथ द नहीं आता. USA, UK and UAE उसके साथ द आएगा. I dash to the USA in future. So option is shift. At this time tomorrow, he dash in the train. Fourth sentence. Why dash you dash John? Question mark. What is the matter? What is the matter? I will ask the answer from all offline students, then I will ask the online. So first of all, online students, Mitarthi, first answer. And online, please raise your hand. I will ask you side by side. Rajaryan number 2. And online students, I told you to raise your hand. Only 4 students are raising hand. And daily, अगर इन चारों नहीं पढ़ना है, तो why others are coming to class? I don't know. Then I think only 4 students should come to class. Exactly, well done. Yes. Soundly in deep sleep, beta. Sleep. Deep. गहरी नींद सोना, okay? Bishop next. At this time tomorrow, he dash in the train. कल का कोई टाइम दिया और पर्टिकुलर टाइम है कल का. Okay, you can tell me third or fourth, anyone. Tomorrow, beta, future tense. Okay, number 4, if you know. 4 बता दो. Okay, I'm starting with from the bottom side. Jasmine first answer. Adgun second. Shubh third. Savya fourth.
He is sleeping soundly. Please don't disturb him.
He is sleeping soundly right now. We are talking about the action which is happening right now. So right now means present continuous tense. Okay. Next one is Adgun number 2. Adgun number 2. Okay, Shobh, you can speak up. She is not audible.
Yes, ma'am. At this time tomorrow, he will be sitting in the train.
Okay. इसने थर्ड बता दिया. Tomorrow की बात हो रही है. This means this is future tense. At this time, time भी दिया हुआ है. जब time दिया हो, future की बात हो रही है, then that will be future continuous tense will be. He will be sitting in the train. Okay, well done. Next is Savya. Savya number 2 or 4. Your choice.
Ma'am, can I tell 4?
4 or number 2, anyone.
Okay. Why are you crying, John? What is the matter?
Why are you crying, John? Obviously, he is crying right now. तभी आप उससे पूछ रहे हो what is the matter? So why are you crying, John? What is the matter? Next is Harmeet. Harmeet number 2. Harmeet number 2.
Ma'am, I will be shifted to the USA.
दोबारा बेटा, दोबारा से loudly.
Ma'am, I will be shifted to the USA.
I will be shifted. Which form?
I'm shifting.
Okay, यहाँ पे बेटा particular time नहीं दिया हुआ. That at 5 p.m. at 6 p.m. So Devang, what do you think? Harmeet is correct or not?
Ma'am, second one. I will be shifting to the USA in future.
But no particular time is given, beta. कुछ time तो बताया.
Can I tell?
Will shift.
Exactly. This is a normal action that will happen in past, future. This is a normal action. It will happen in future. कुछ time कुछ भी नहीं बताया. So simple will plus first form. I shall or I will shift to the USA in future. But we don't know कब होने shift. So normal tense will be there. Note down these 4, then I'll write the next one. I'm erasing just 2. Number 5. Avneet, are you writing, beta? Okay. You dash your fine, yet this is a negative sentence. तो जो भी आप आंसर लिखोगे उसमें नॉट ऐड कर देना. ओके Dr. Rao dash this patient since 2016. Yes, next 8. So, offline student, Avneet, number 5. Usually, always, never, frequently, often. इसका मतलब हैबिट होता है. So, जब हैबिट होती है तो क्या करते हैं? These type of word will tell you that I am habit. Loudly. बेटा 2 मिनट के लिए इसको नीचे करके ऐसे बोल लो. हाँ. Little mistake. Anyone? Usually करता ही रहता है habit. Okay, Gaurish on my screen. Yes, Gaurish. Then Madhav. First Gaurish.
Ma'am, he usually follows my advice.
So Avneet, आपने follow बोला. Singular is there. S or ES will be there. Okay, correct one. He usually follows my advice. Usually will tell you that this is habit. जब habit आती है तो first form of verb. Okay. Next one, Madhav. Madhav, number 6. Madhav, number 6.
Ma'am, you have not paid.
Yes, exactly, beta. You haven't paid. Sorry.
मैम ये ऊपर लिखना था.
Yes, yes, yes. You haven't paid your fine yet. Pay it immediately. ठीक है? अभी तक नहीं किया. So this is your perfect tense. You haven't paid your fine yet. So yet के साथ generally perfect tense. You haven't paid your fine. Am I audible and visible properly? Yes, 2 students, please speak up.
Yes,
Yes,
मैम.
ma'am.
Yes,
मैम
ma'am.
थोड़ा सा पर ब्लैक बोर्ड जो ब्लर आ रहा है.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Let me see this. Okay, next one is IPSA. IPSA and
Yes, ma'am.
next is again Jasmine. I'm starting from the bottom again. Yes, IPSA.
Ma'am, yes, Dr. Rao has been treating this patient since 2016.
Exactly. Dr. Rao has been treating this patient since 2016. So since or for आ जाए तो has been, have been, ing. Dr. Rao has been treating this patient since 2016. Next, Jasmine again. Jasmine, number 8.
He met me yesterday.
This is the past action. I haven't mentioned any time ki 6 p.m., 7 p.m. So you can simply use your second form of verb. जब कोई particular time नहीं होता and the one action that ended in the past, you will write second form of verb. Is it clear, everyone? So he met me yesterday and I think he was upset. Yes, Gaurish?
Yes, ma'am.
You are raising your hand and you are showing me thumbs up also. I thought you have doubt.
वो ma'am, no ma'am. I just raised thumbs up that to tell you that it is clear.
Okay, fine. So wait for 1 minute, then we'll write next types, okay? Just wait for another 1 minute. I'm just writing. We'll discuss the answers after 1 minute, okay? By 2030, it's 21 now. 8th, 9th, 10th. By 2025, you will complete your +2. And then in 5 years, okay. Okay, अगर यहाँ पे इन होता तो I will भी कम आ रहा था exactly, but यहाँ पे by है, और सोचो थोड़ा सा. So new addition in the sentences, new addition of diseases. So tell me the 9th answer, then 10th answer. Okay, I'm going to unmute the students who have raised their hand. They can speak up their answer one by one. Yes, please.
Yes.
Number 9.
Yes, ma'am.
Speak up 9th.
Number 9th, in my opinion, I will have become a doctor.
Ma'am, same as Gaurish.
I will have become a doctor.
Yes, ma'am.
Same Gaurish wala.
Ma'am, same.
By means,
Same.
yes. By means perfect tense, yes. आपने यही बोला था what I'm writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So by 2000, when by is written, this means the action complete हो चुका होगा. Then we will write the tense, future perfect tense. Now this word is telling you that this is a past tense. और since for आ गया तो क्या use करते हैं? Anyone? Rajarin, since for. Since और for में क्या use करते हैं? Tenses revise करो बेटा. Okay, Savya.
Yes.
Arjun,
She
Savya.
had.
Ma'am, she had been suffering.
She had been suffering.
Whenever bishop, since or for is given, you have to use been plus ing. ठीक है? Has, have, had depends. Had कब आएगा? अगर आपको पता चल जाए that this is the past tense. ठीक है? Had आएगा. Since, for, been, ing. She had been suffering from COVID-19 for 3 months before she died. Okay. So these were the tense and tenses, and I tried my best to cover most of the tenses. I think I haven't covered past continuous tense. One more sentence. अब मैं आपको पहले बता देती हूँ. This is past continuous tense. Okay. ओके, स्पीक अप ऑफलाइन ऑनलाइन, जल्दी से जिसको भी आता है.
Ma'am, she had cleaned.
Ma'am,
was
she was cleaning her room when I entered.
She was cleaning her room.
He was cleaning.
She was cleaning her room.
She was cleaning her room because particular time is given. Kiss time pe when I entered. So whenever time is given, then you will use past continuous tense. Okay. Now this was the topic. Fill in the blank with tense. Now the next topic is related to tenses only. Transformation. Change into negative, change into interrogative, कुछ भी आ सकता है. Okay. Okay, I'm waiting for 30-40 seconds. Because offline students, I think they're tired. थक गए हैं. Drink water better. You have water bottles? Drink water. Quickly. I'm waiting. Thank you, beta. for coming.
Recording in progress.
He did not have sold his house. So before giving answer, he told me to turn on the recording. Maybe he just wants to listen to his answer again and again, maybe. Okay, so he will not have sold his house. Okay, so you can complete this sentence. So this was the normal topic, change into negative. Otherwise आपने not लगाने हैं, सिर्फ ये दो rules आपको याद रखने हैं. Second form did not plus first form do or does. Otherwise बाकी सारे easy हैं, सिर्फ not लगाना. ठीक है? Only two rules are there. This was question number 2. अब मैं आपको नेगेटिव दूंगी, आपने उसको एफर्मेटिव होता है पॉजिटिव में चेंज करना. ठीक है? चेंज इनटू एफर्मेटिव. एफर्मेटिव के साथ ब्रैकेट में लिख दो पॉजिटिव. इफ यू डोंट नो द मीनिंग ऑफ एफर्मेटिव, इट इज पॉजिटिव. नेगेटिव को पॉजिटिव में चेंज करना. ओके, नाउ ट्राई ऑफलाइन स्टूडेंट्स, ट्राई दिस वन. नॉट को रिमूव करना है और मेक द एफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस. जो मैंने रूल लिखवाया था पिछले वाले क्वेश्चन पे, उसको देखो अच्छे से. उल्टा रूल लगेगा. डिड नॉट विल चेंज टू वेल डन. करेक्ट. डिड नॉट का उल्टा रूल हो जाएगा. यू विल रिमूव दिस डिड नॉट and you will write down second form. Okay, next one. Online. Yes, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, he knows the answer.
Yes, you will remove this and you will write down singular is there, S or ES will be there. He knows the answer. So this was one type, change into positive. एक easy सा कर लेते हैं. अब नीट जल्दी से आंसर बेटा, क्विकली. Exactly. Remove this not and write down the answer. He was listening to you. बस आपको ये दो रूल्स याद रखने हैं. V1 do does और V2 did. Please note down after 30 seconds. अगर टाइम हुआ तो हम 3 sentences लास्ट करेंगे. लास्ट 3 minutes. Yes. So 70% students do this answer in a wrong way. So try to write the correct answer. इसका आपको क्वेश्चन बनाना है, ओके? Interrogative means question. Question बनाना है, question. Why will? Will क्यों आएगा? I'm giving you tricky sentences. ये थोड़े से आपके लिए tricky हैं, पर इतने भी मुश्किल नहीं है. You can do that. Okay, only 3. Change into question. Question बनाना आपने. Offline, anyone, you can raise your hand, then I'll give turn to online. Yes or no? Okay, one mistake again, छोटी सी mistake I'll tell you. Online students, if you don't know the answer, please raise your hand. I can ask you any question randomly. Okay, I'm going to unmute you. First answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, how many friends
How
he
many
have?
friends has?
Ma'am,
Has.
how many friends she
How many friends he
Yes.
has?
Yes.
How many friends he has? Okay. ठीक है, और बेटा इससे और correct way.
Ma'am,
Question में
Ma'am,
याद रखो.
has he having many friends?
Has he having? Has के साथ ing याद रखो.
ma'am,
Ma'am, has
do he
he?
has?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
has
do he
he?
has many friends?
विद्यार्थी से
Ma'am, ma'am, does he have many friends?
exactly बेटा.
Okay, ma'am.
Does he have? यहाँ पे has have वो helping verb वाला नहीं है. This is the main verb. This is called the first form. Has की भी forms होती हैं. Has, had, had. तो ये first form है. Okay. Next, please. Anyone? Again, I'm going to unmute you. जल्दी से बताओ. Second answer.
Does she work on time?
Does she work on time?
You can't remove this her. आपने ये her क्यों remove किया?
Does she work her work on time?
Do her work on time.
And does she?
तो यहाँ पे भी जो does है, this is the first form. First form किसमें change होती है? Do does plus again first form. Does she do her work on time? I told you ये tricky है थोड़े से. You can revise them. Okay, last one. This is easy, I think.
Did he miss the bus?
Did he miss the bus?
Okay. So revise these, change into interrogatives क्योंकि ये दो थोड़े से आपके लिए different और new थे. Revise them. Okay. Now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, बेटा. Now I'll meet you tomorrow then. Bye.